Finally, we have created this prototype chain in JavaScript. We have not created this entire tree, and we have taken just only one branch, this one. And we have created a small plane, large plane that are instances of civil plane. Civil plane has its prototype airplane, and airplane has prototype vehicle. And prototype of the vehicle is object.prototype. Okay, now I want to get back to the final implementation of this prototype chain and use operators instanceof and typeof in order to examine final structure. Let's get back to final code and remember that here we have created two instances of the civil plane.prototype, and they are small plane and large plane. Okay, small plane, instance of civil plane. And here I get true. It means that small plane is instance of civil plane. Let's now look if small plane is instance of airplane. And yes, it is also true. You can guess that small plane is also instance of the vehicle, and it is also instance of the object. And let's check whether or not it is instance of the null. And here I get type error, right-hand side of instanceof is not an object. It means that instanceof operator requires object at the right-hand side of this expression. Okay, same is valid for large plane. For example, large plane is also instance of the vehicle, and it is also instance of the civil plane. Let's check type of small plane. Simply typeof small plane. This operator needs only one argument. And type of small plane is an object. Let's check type of civil plane. And it is a function. Same with other functions, like airplane and vehicle. Okay, but what about civil plane and airplane? How do you think? Is, for example, civil plane an instance of the airplane or not? Let's check this. Civil plane instance of airplane. And here I get false. That's because civil plane and airplane are functions. And civil plane cannot be instance of the airplane. We have not initialized it as a new instance. It is simply function. Yes, airplane is prototype for civil plane, but nothing else. Okay, let's summarize. You can use such operators as instanceof and typeof to easily examine your prototype chain. And if you create any instance of the prototype and there are other prototypes in this chain, then this new instance will be also instance of other top-level prototypes. Okay, let's move on, and next you'll get one more challenge. And in this challenge, you will need to correct some mistakes in the code. And in this challenge, you will still work with function constructors. And after this challenge, we will finally start discussion of ES6 classes. And trust me, it will be pretty easy after all the stuff that we have covered in this section dedicated to function constructors. Okay, see you in a moment. Bye-bye.